Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock green egg recipe in Heartopia. So in this latest update, Heartopia has a new event for the Easter event, and at this event you can get or unlock the new recipe for the Easter eggs. And then to unlock it, just go to your stove and then just choose egg recipe like this. This recipe you can get it from the Easter store. If you don't know how to get it, you can just check the tutorial link in the descriptions to watch the tutorial. And after that, just complete the all ingredients. You need eggs, and then in here to make a green, to make a green, and in here to make a green eggs, you need to change the milk with the lettuce like this, and then after that, just tap on start cooking like this. And like this, just like this, you will unlock the Korean egg recipe in Heartopia. And the recipe will automatically add it to your food recipe. This one. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.